Hi, this is a video on how to install Stria cladding horizontally on a timber cavity batten with the best tips and tricks included.
Before you get started, it's important that we have all the correct tools: Stria cladding to the correct quantity, nail gun and correct specification nails, flexible sealant and adhesive sealant, primer, spirit level, hammer, nail punch, story rod, dust reducing circular saw with MCAS vacuum and Hardie blade, other accessories including internal corners, external corners, vent strip, and your PPE. Always refer to the Stria Timber Cavity Batten Technical Specification for safe working practices. Installation. Install the James Hardie Stria Cavity Closer or UPVC vent strip at the bottom of all walls and above all openings. Nail at 600mm centers maximum. Your bottom edge requires an overhang of 15mm past the vent strip. Fix a temporary ribbon board below the bottom plate. The first panel must have a minimum 50mm overhang below the bottom plate. Cut edges must be sealed. Stria cladding is gun nailable. Nail 75mm up from the bottom edge into the bottom plate using a 75 by 3.06mm D-head nail. Do not fix the top nails until the next panel is interlocked. Securely interlock the next panel. Fix the first panel 100mm down from the top edge. Fix the second panel up 100mm from the bottom edge. Repeat the installation and fixing pattern. Level every third or fourth board. Stria cladding must be painted within 90 days. Accessories installation. Stria internal corner. The Stria internal corner creates a clean internal finish. Fix the internal corner to the cavity batten through the stud. Fix at 400mm centers using round head nails. Apply adhesive sealant. Fix the panel 30mm from the edge using D-head nails. External aluminium box corner. The external aluminium box corner creates a subtle finish. Fix each side of the box corner to the cavity batten at 400mm centers. Apply flexible sealant. Fix the panel 50mm from the edge using D-head nails. Vertical trimline joint flashing. Stria cladding can be joined using a vertical Stria trimline joint flashing to create a subtle join, or the Stria vertical joint flashing, which creates a negative detail. Fix the flashings at 400mm centers. Apply flexible sealant. Fix the panels 12mm from the end using D-head nails. Cut edges must be sealed. Finishing the panels. D-head nails must finish 2mm below the panel surface. Fill the hole with 2-part exterior grade builder's fill using an aluminium template. This results in a tidy finish. Once cured, lightly sand with 60 grit sandpaper. Finish by priming the filler.
Thanks for watching this video on how to install Stria cladding horizontally. For more information, always refer to the Stria Cladding Timber Cavity Batten Technical Specification or ask James Hardie.